Hello friends, welcome to AQ IAS YouTube channel. This session is a part of our daily current affairs series. In today's session, we'll talk about drylands and land degradation neutrality. So if you recall, in July 2020, Prime Minister Modi said that India is committed to restore 26 million hectares of land. Okay, so we want to achieve this target by 2030. So once we achieve this target, then we will achieve the state of land degradation neutrality. Now what is this LDN? This land degradation neutrality, it is a state in which the quality of land resources, amount of land resources, all these land resources remain stable. Okay, so there is this stability vis-a-vis land resources, and this state is known as land degradation neutrality. In fact, the quality of land resources increases and the amount of land resources also increases under this concept. Now you must know that land degradation, it is a major problem faced by drylands. Now what are drylands? Drylands are those areas which receive very low rainfall, very low precipitation. In fact, the droughts are very frequent in these areas, and the quality of the soil is very bad. Okay, so the soil is not fertile because very less organic matter is seen on these drylands. Moreover, human activities can be witnessed like livestock grazing and collection of wood. All these human activities are seen on these drylands. Now, from the prelims perspective, you must be aware of this concept of land degradation neutrality. You must be knowing about the steps that we have taken in order to restore the land. So all those steps are also important. Now you must know that UNEP, which is United Nations Environment Program, it defines the drylands by using the concept of aridity index. Aridity index. Now what is this aridity index? Aridity index is the ratio of annual rainfall, annual average rainfall, and evaporation plus transpiration. Okay, so UNEP uses the concept of aridity index. So if the aridity index is less than 0.65, then those areas can be regarded as drylands. Okay, so remember the value 0.65. So this is the definition United Nations Environment Program uses in order to define dry lands. Now you must know about the global efforts, because we have seen so many global efforts are being taken. We know about bone challenge. Bone challenge is also very important and can be asked in prelims. Under bone challenge, we have to convert 150 million hectares of land into useful land. So this is the target by 2020, to convert 150 million degraded lands into useful land. Okay, and by 2030 we have to convert 350 million hectares of land into useful lands under bone challenge. And then you must know about UNCCD, which is United Nations Convention to Combat Desertification. So you must know that UNCCD, it was established in 1994. Okay, and it is the sole binding convention. This is another important point. Okay, so these two global efforts are important, bond challenge and UNCCD. And remember about Delhi Declaration. So this Delhi Declaration in 2019, it was signed by COP14 of UNCCD. So this Delhi Declaration, it was related to the quality of soil, to improve the quality of soil. Okay, so all these facts are important for your upcoming prelims. And just remember about UNCCD, it is the sole binding convention. You must know about Bonn Challenge, Delhi Declaration. You should be aware of the concept of land degradation neutrality. And do not forget about aridity index, because this is the definition which is used by UNEP. So all these facts I wanted to discuss regarding this topic. If you have liked our initiative, you can subscribe our YouTube channel for more such videos. You can follow our social media platforms for daily current affairs content. And if you have any suggestion, you can mention in the comment section. So I'm done for today's session. I'll see you in the next session soon. Bye bye.